Hey everyone, so today, like I said in a previous video, we're going to help out some elders and some disabled people. So of course, had to stop here to get some Tim Hortons, and yeah, now it's time to go to Canadian Tire, pick out the right shovel for the job, maybe too, and we're going to head on into town. We're in Carbonear right now, so we're going to check out what it's like in there and see what we can do for people. Didn't have much of an appetite this morning, so it looks like our old Maxwell is going to eat well. My dog Max, he's a 10-year-old Labrador and Collie mix, and he's always hungry. Yeah, good boy. All right, let's go. All right, these seem to have pretty good warranties. First thing we're doing is we're going to help out an older man. He's got some disabilities as well. He's got his windows buried in, and he's got one of his emergency exits blocked. So we're going to go over there for at least an hour or two and try and get him to the point where it's like safe to be in his house. So we're meeting up with Trisha, which is his home care worker, and she's going to give us a hand and tell me what needs to be done. So yeah, so for now, I got everything shared on Facebook, but I mean, we're doing this alone for now. If I can even help 2 or 3 people today, it'll be a good day for me. So that's what we're doing. That's the plan. We're here in St. John's. You can really see where the snow is piled up here on this road. But now don't forget, this is pretty barren compared to the actual city. So it's absolutely insane how much snow is here. This here's what's absolutely insane. Look at this. That is incredible. Wow, I actually haven't seen that much snow. Guys, check out this snowbank, how tall it is. I mean, that is just where it's cut to. There's so much snow. Like, we are looking way up at this. It looks like a mountain. So I was thinking that, you know, this storm can't be that big of a deal. It is for St. John's, but where I'm from, Labrador, you know, we get snowfalls like this. It's not the biggest, but this is absolutely insane. That is my truck, and the snowbank is a whole lot higher. I'd say that is a good 20-foot snowbank right there. Oh my God. Hey there.
Hi, Kaylin.
Kaylin.
It's gonna be a lot.
How deep? Alright, let's find these windows. Alright, so this is the after. Just got it all shoveled out. Nothing to it.
We're now, like, only in the past couple of days getting actually some light.
Oh my God.
Like, this is basically just one second. From a
So, attack here. Should I get up on a chair to get up, or?
Hey.
You working it pretty good?
Yes, it's on video now.
I think this is by far the biggest hole I've ever dug in my life.
Really?
Now we are headed off to another place. We got Gary shoveled out. Now he has access out of his home in case of emergencies, and an apartment that was completely dark before now has nice natural sunlight in. So couldn't be happier. That's one person helped today. I mean, if even that was all I could do, I mean, it made a difference. So, but now we're off to the next house. They need some shoveling done as well. So yeah. So it has been a week since the storm hit, and Just wow. Alright, this is our next storm victim. Hi there.
Hi.
Did you need help? What did you
Yeah.
need done?
I just need that big chunk taken out of so I'll need a car to come in closer.
Okay. Alright, I think that's another driveway down. Chopped out some of the ice there so that you won't have to worry about slipping.
Okay, great.
That's
Thank you.
second the driveway done. On to the next one. Alright, and just like that, we are at number 3. St. John's is an absolute ghost town right now. It's 8:30 p.m. and there is just absolutely nothing and no one here. That's crazy. See, what's going on is no one is allowed on the roads due to a state of emergency. Likely should be following, but I am helping out people who are stranded or can't get food, so I'm gonna count it. All right, picked up some groceries. Let's go drop it off. Hi there. Were you the one that speaking to?
Yes, Rebecca.
Okay, nice to meet you.
We just had this girl, we lost her dad on Remembrance Day.
Yeah, that's so
So we just
sad.
had a
All right, these roads are super tight, but it's okay because we got the flashing light on. Just gotta take her easy, and let's find somewhere to sleep for the night because this day has beat the crap out of me. So that's it for me today. Helped 3 people with disabilities and helped a little family who lost a loved one get some food, and it was nice. Beautiful experience. It was awesome meeting everyone. Some really nice, warm-hearted people. I'm just super happy about today. I mean, I'm generally a happy person, but today just melted my heart. It's good to get out, get the blood flowing, get some exercise. So that's it for me, guys. I'm gonna head to bed. Danger_industries is my Instagram. Go follow that if you want. And for the rest, if you like my videos, you already know what to do. So go ahead and do it if you would like. I'm not gonna tell you how to live your life. You can figure that out. And you guys have a good day.